Namaste children, how are you? I hope that you are all fine because you are all at home. Okay. Last class we saw the evaluation part in Unit 1. Unit 1 we saw evaluation part. First division and second division we saw, and third division also. I told the answer for match the following also. I told the answer in last class. Now today we are going to see fourth division in book page number 68. In book page number 68, fourth division we are going to see now. Okay, that is, you have to write whether the statement is yes or no. You have to read the statement and you write whether it is yes or no. Okay, the first sentence in your book, that is, you should take page number 68. In that fourth division, you have to see first one. Listen. Biryani is a raw food. Is biryani is a raw food? Biryani nama cook panni da saapida mudiyum. So it is wrong. So you have to write no. First one, no. Then second one, frying is a method of cooking. Fry பண்றது ஒரு method. Yes, already we know. Boiling, steaming, frying, roasting we read. We learnt. So frying is one of the cooking methods. So it is a correct statement. You have to write yes. Y-E-S. Yes. Then third one, we can cook rice on a tawa. Tawa la rice cook பண்ண முடியுமா? No. So you have to write no. Then fourth one, cooking in a solar oven needs sunlight. Solar oven nave adukku vandu sunlight is necessary. So you have to write yes. Y-E-S. Yes. Then fifth one, consuming too much oily food is bad for our health. Yes, it is true. Correct statement. While teaching itself, I told you have to avoid oily food. So it is right statement. Yes. Consuming too much oily food is bad for our health. It is not good for our health. Okay. So you have to write yes. Okay. You write the first one no, second one yes, third one no, fourth and fifth yes. You have to read the statement, understand the meaning and write the answer in your book and you read. Then now fifth division. Fifth division, answer briefly. First one, name any three cooking methods. Any three cooking methods. Name, just name you have to write. So, boiling, B-O-I-L-I-N-G, boiling. Steaming, S-T-E-A-M-I-N-G, steaming. Roasting, R-O-A-S-T-I-N-G, roasting. Frying, F-R-Y-I-N-G, frying. I have written 4, etc. You can choose any 3. Otherwise you can write 4 in your note and you read at least 3. Whether write any 4 cooking methods, that also will be asked in your exam. So you write at least 4. Okay. For the question, for the first question, that is cooking methods: boiling, steaming, roasting, frying. Okay. The next one. Second one, write any 2 food items that you should eat when you are sick. Sick na உடம்பு சரியில்லாதப்ப நீ என்ன food item சாப்பிடுவ? Listen. You take your book page number 64. Book page number 64 la you see here 3 points were given: porridge of rice or cereals, fruit juice, tender coconut, steamed food like idli. You can choose any 2 and write. You read all the food items. If it is asked 2, you can write 2. You put one bracket and write 2, second question. Here you put one bracket and write second question in pencil. Okay. Then what is the third question? Draw one of your favorite raw food and color it. Raw food varanji nee color pannanum. You can draw A carrot. இப்போ carrot is one of a raw food இல்லையா? கேரட் அழகா வரைஞ்சி கலர் பண்ண ஆரஞ்சு கலரில். இப்போ வேற என்ன ராவா நீ சாப்பிடுவ? இப்போ குக்கும்பர் சாப்பிடுவோம் அப்படின்னா குக்கும்பர் வரைஞ்சி கலர் அடிக்கலாம், எது வேணாலும். தெரியுதா? தென் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன். தென் fourth one, write about any two preservation method. Any two preservation method. இப்போ preservation method பாரு, listen. என்னென்ன preservation method பார்த்தோம்? Pickling, refrigerating, drying, canning. இப்போ write about, name மட்டும் கேட்கல, write about அந்த preservation methods பத்தி எழுதணும். So you can mark it in your book and afterwards you can write. Now take book page number 66 for fourth question. For food preservation it is given here. But you can choose any two தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Write any two food preservation method அப்படின்னு தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So you can write the first one, pickling அப்படின்னு heading போடுறீங்க. Mixing fruits and vegetables with oil and salt ன்னு போட்டுட்டு example pickle அதை எழுதுறீங்க. Then refrigerating கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இது வந்து கொஞ்சம் பெருசா இருக்கு அப்படின்னா you can choose the next one, drying எழுதிட்டு removing the water content of food, example fish, red chilies. Any one example எழுதினீங்கன்னா கூட போதும். தெரியுதா? You can choose this and this for fourth question. Okay, இல்ல இது கூட எழுதலாம், that is your choice. Any two methods you have to write for food preservation. Then fifth question, how can you reduce wastage of food in your house, in your home? How can you reduce wastage of food in your home? வீட்டில் எப்படி நம்ம ஃபுட்டு வேஸ்ட் ஆகாமல் எப்படி நம்ம ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணலாம், ஃபுட் வேஸ்ட் ஆகிறத எப்படி ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணலாம்? ஃபார் தட் யூ டேக் புக் பேஜ் நம்பர் 65ல listen, here 3 points were given here இல்லையா? Take what you will eat and eat what you take. Then share the excess food. Give the excess food to hungry animals. You mark these three. You mark these three for fifth question. Okay. Then next division, that is sixth division, answer in detail. For this, explain any 4 food preservation method. For this also you can take book page number 66. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 methods were given here. You have to write all the 4 methods for detailed answer. Pickling, you have to write this sentence with example. Refrigerating, this sentence with example. Drying also this with example. Canning also this with example. All the 4 things you have to write with examples. For first detailed answer, you mark this as 1D. First detail. Okay. Then second one, explain any 4 cooking methods. Cooking methods means that boiling, steaming, roasting. This one. This is cooking method, that is book page number 60. You take book page number 60. Here it is given. Some of the commonly used cooking methods are given below. That you no need to write. You put boiling. It is a method of cooking food by immersing it in boiling water. அது வரைக்கும் மட்டும் எழுதலாம். எக்ஸாம்பிள் ரைஸ் எக் பாயிலிங்னு போட்டு இது எழுதுறீங்க. தென் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டீமிங் போடுறீங்க. Then it is a method of cooking food in steam by immersing the vessel in a container with boiling water. Example idli, idiyappam. That you have to write. Then pressure cooking. It is a method of cooking food in pressure cooker. Example rice, dal. Then roasting. It is a method of cooking food by heating on a tawa or frying pan without covering it. Example groundnuts, cashew nuts. Then frying. It is a method of cooking food in hot oil. Example chips, puri. Okay. Here 5 methods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is given. You can write. You can choose any 4 and write. Put bracket and write 2D. That is second detail. You can write only 4 methods were asked in the question. So you can choose any 4 methods and write. Okay. Then third question. what are the hygienic ways of cooking food? What are the hygienic ways of cooking food? Listen, in book page number 61, you see that cooking habits is given there. Here some 6 points were given. You can choose any 5 points which were easy to you. You choose any 5 and you can write any 5 points. Here you see in your book page number 61, cooking habits, one heading is given there. Below that 6 points were given. You can choose any 5 points and write. Okay. You have to memorize these points. Okay. That's all about this lesson. And one project is given there. That is next division, 7th project is given there. Here you have to take one cardboard plate, and with the help of clay you can make your favorite fruits and vegetables, and you can paste it in that cardboard like that. Okay. That is the project given here. You can do at in your home. Okay. Okay, these are the book exercise completed. Okay, first lesson is over. You have to read. Okay. Today's homework is you have to read first division, second division, third, fourth. Up to fourth division you have to read. This is today's homework up to fourth division. Up to 5th division you read. Read unit 1, division 1 to 5. This is the homework. Okay. You have to read. Very simple. Already we noted 3 divisions. Today we have marked all the divisions given in the first unit. So you have to read division 1st to 5th. Okay, that is the homework given to you today. Okay. Do you want to tell the answer for first, second and third? Those who didn't mark this answers for first, second and third division, you can mark it now. First division, choose the best answer. Which one can be eaten as raw food? Here, meat, carrot, fish, potato is given there. Among this, you can eat carrot as raw food. So, you put tick mark for carrot. Then, uncooked food is called dash. Which is called uncooked food? Junk food, hygienic food, raw food, cooked food. Which one is called uncooked food? Raw food is called uncooked food. So, you put tick mark for raw food. Then, solar cooker reduces dash. Solar cooker reduces, already we know, that it reduces air pollution. So, you put tick mark for air pollution. Okay, then fourth one, which one cannot be preserved by drying method? Here 4 options were given: rice, cereals, fish, fruits. Among these, fruits cannot be preserved by drying method. If we dry that fruits, it may get spoiled because the water content in the fruits may gone and the fruit may spoil. Okay, then fifth one. We can avoid food wastage by dash. Giving it to the needy, eating more than we need, buying extra food, throwing in a dustbin. Among this, which one is correct? Giving it to the needy. So, by this we can avoid the food wastage. Okay. The next one. Fill in the blanks. That is second one. Dash gives us energy to work and play. Which one gives energy? Raw food or junk food? Raw food or junk food? Only raw food. So you can put tick mark for raw food and write it in the dash. Okay. Then cooked food is easily digested or undigested. Cook பண்ற food வந்து easier digest ஆயிடும். So you put tick mark for digested and write here. Then pressure cooker is one of the dash utensil. Modern utensil or olden utensil? It is modern utensil. So you write here modern. Then we need pure air, protected water and dash food for healthy life. Which water? Hygienic or junk? Hygienic. So you write it in the dash hygienic. Put tick mark and write here. Then we make idiyappam by dash method. Boiling or steaming? Steaming. We already know. So you put tick mark for steaming and write here. That's all. Then for match the following. You can put the number and while writing you have to write the correct answer near the person. Okay. The first one is grapes. Grapes is a raw food. So near raw food you put number 1. Then mixture of vegetables salad. Vegetables la mix cut panni mix பண்ணிட்டோம்னா அது என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம் salad. So you put near that salad number 2. Then electric rice cooker is a modern utensil. So you put number 3 near modern utensil. Then earthen pot is olden utensil. Near olden utensil then you put 4. Then less fatty food, food during illness. உடம்பு சரியில்லை அப்படின்னா ஃபேட்டி ஐட்டம்ஸ் அதாவது ஆயிலி ஐட்டம்ஸ் எதுவும் சாப்பிட மாட்டோம் இல்லையா. ஸோ யூ புட் நியர் ஃபுட் டியூரிங் இல்னஸ் 5. So you put the answer, you write the answer 3, 5, 4, 1, 2. While writing in exam, you have to write the correct answer. You should not put the number. Okay. Then remaining things we saw already. Now, just now we saw. So you marked all the answers. You get prepared. Okay. Dhanyawad to all.